Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure Android Studio is closed, then locate your proxy credentials. You need host, port, and any username or password. Open Android Studio and go to File Settings or Android Studio Preferences on Mac OS. Once there, navigate directly to Appearance and Behavior System Settings HTTP Proxy. You do this because Studio overrides system proxy settings, and configuring it here prevents Gradle and SDK Manager errors later, so don't skip this step. You select Manual Proxy and type the host and port exactly as provided. If you have credentials, check Proxy Authentication and enter username and password. Once done, click Check Connection to verify Studio can reach https://dl. Google.com. This confirms Gradle and SDK access. Make sure to set the HTTP and HTTPS entries if separate, and prefer bypass list for local addresses like 127.0.0.1. This prevents internal tools from routing externally. Apply changes, but don't restart yet. Once you restart Studio, rebuild your project. This forces Gradle to fetch dependencies via the configured proxy. If Gradle still fails, edit ~Gradle/Gradle, Properties or Project Gradle, Properties and add System Prop, HTTP, Proxy Host System Prop, HTTP, Proxy Port, and similar HTTPS entries. If problems persist, check Help Show Log in Explorer for authentication errors, and verify your proxy allows connect to required hosts. A key troubleshooting tip: test with curl or a browser using the same proxy to separate IDE versus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.